In partnership with Hydro-Quebec, Nucleom has developed the LineCore and Lineom inspection solutions. These non-destructive solutions are revolutionizing the preventative maintenance of electrical grids. The LineCore allows for early assessment of transmission line conductors, and this even on live lines. Once deployed, the motorized system enables it to navigate along the conductors, analyzing the state of the galvanic protection. It effortlessly passes through the splices without human intervention. ACSR cable deterioration depends mainly on exposure to environmental conditions. LineCore detects the gradual loss of zinc in the protective coating covering the steel strands. Where the zinc disappears on the surface, a vulnerability to galvanic corrosion and acceleration to premature aging of conductors sets in. The Lineom assesses the electrical resistance of compression splices on conductors, requiring no preparation of the line. The temperature variation along the line proves to be one of the predominant factors contributing to the corrosion of the conductor splice junction, alongside other factors such as the quality of the installation. The electrical connection is thus weakened, exacerbating thermal cycles. LineCore and Lineom services can also be deployed using drones for quicker access during inspections. The drone can travel from phase to phase and access hard-to-reach areas with minimal effort. The data collected by LineCore and Lineom is displayed on the computer of the analyst on the ground, allowing for real-time diagnosis. Nucleom's inspection services give you the earliest signs of deterioration of your electric power transmission networks. To learn more about these technologies, visit Nucleom's website.